Welcome back to the adventures of Oliver and Cooper. We are going on a nature trail and I got my nature stuff for my birthday. And I don't really know which way we're going. And that's a little village and I don't know if it's abandoned or not.
This is Cannonsburg Village. You have to talk loud. Yep.
Okay, we found a river and I'm going to try and find a fish. Yeah,
Oliver.
Okay, so we just came from all the way over here to over here. And then look at this tree. Yeah. Is it 2 trees or 4 trees or 1? Tell me in the comments. Look, there's 2 ways. There's 3 ways that this tree.
Okay.
There's 3 ways that the river goes. This way, that way. And that way is coming this way and this way. Look, okay guys, we just found this and it looks like a tree. And over there, this has to be an old house, very old. Because they were probably breaking rocks, so then they could probably find minerals and buy stuff and then get money for it. Look, there's more of it over here. Okay, so we just found that over there, and now we found this. And we found a bridge. Yeah, that has been there. And there's some more pots. Yeah, there's even metal. Very old. Metal is rusty. This has to be very old. Look. So we just found these shells. 2 are snail shells. 2 are some different shells. One's a clam and the one is this little thing.
Okay.
Guys, I just found 1 more shell and please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.